What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create an animated background using pure CSS and HTML with no JavaScript involved. This technique can enhance your web projects by adding visual interest and dynamic effects without the overhead of additional scripts. First, let's set this code in the index.html tab. Make sure that you do this code in index.html accurately. The reason is that it will be a disaster if you don't follow and type the code accurately, because one mistake in coding will result in disaster. So do this code carefully. After doing the code, let's go to the style.css tab and copy this code. Same thing with the index.html tab. It must be typed accurately so that the coding will be done perfectly. After doing this code in the style CSS tab, check the results. And as you can see, this is the result of your creation. You'll end up with this result as long as you follow the coding if you watch the whole video. Coding in HTML can be complicated most of the time, but if you understand how the coding works in CSS, you can do better than this animation in the near future. And that's it. You've now created a vibrant animated background using pure CSS. This effect can be applied to various web projects to enhance your user experience. Experiment with different gradients and animation speeds to create a unique background. For further learning, explore more CSS animation, or consider integrating this background into a large web design project. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.